The great thickeners, arrowroot versus cornstarch.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore the differences between two common thickening agents, arrowroot and cornstarch. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, knowing how these ingredients work can significantly improve your sauces, gravies, or stews.
What are arrowroot and cornstarch?
Firstly, let's talk about what these thickeners actually are. Both arrowroot and cornstarch are starches extracted from plants and are often used to thicken sauces, soups, and other foods. Arrowroot is derived from several tropical plants, while cornstarch, as the name suggests, is made from corn.
How do they behave in cooking?
One key difference lies in how they behave during the cooking process. Arrowroot thickens at a lower temperature than cornstarch, but it also breaks down more quickly when exposed to acidic ingredients or prolonged cooking. On the other hand, cornstarch holds up better to longer cooking times and works well with acidic ingredients.
What about the visual and textural differences?
When it comes to appearance, arrowroot provides a clear, shiny finish to your sauces, making it an excellent choice for glossy sauces or fruit pie fillings. In contrast, sauces thickened with cornstarch tend to have a cloudy or more opaque appearance. Texture-wise, arrowroot yields a smoother and lighter texture, whereas cornstarch can give your sauces a slightly heavier, sometimes chalky, feel if not cooked out properly.
Are there any dietary considerations?
Yes, there are. For those with dietary restrictions or preferences, arrowroot is grain-free and thus fits well into a paleo diet, whereas cornstarch, derived from corn, is not. So, in summary, your choice between arrowroot and cornstarch will depend on your specific needs, the recipe you're preparing, and even your dietary preferences. Remember, cornstarch is more robust and versatile but might make your sauce cloudy and a bit heavier, while arrowroot makes for a clearer, glossier and lighter sauce but breaks down faster under heat or acidity. Happy cooking, and we hope this video has given you some food for thought for your next culinary creation.